Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can approve content on YouTube Kids. Just create a profile for your kid here and select the recommended content settings for your kid. So I'll just do older here. And then you can press select, or you want it to be younger. You'll see the contents that they have for it. You can also turn search off or turn it on. I'll just enable the search chat here. And then press next. Press done. And then here you can select it. You can change their settings here. So 8 times 3 is 16. It's not. I know I can't count. I'm so sorry. It's 36. Okay. Here you can kind of customize it a little bit more. You do need to enter your Google account password. And here you can edit their content a little bit more here, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.